You're on board the news track. Today, India had a date with history as Prime Minister Modi laid the foundation for the new Parliament building. The Prime Minister hailed the new building part of his dream Central Vista project, which he calls a symbol of a new Atmanirbhar Bharat.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी द्वारा नए संसद भवन की स्मृति पट्टिका का अनावरण.
It's a historic day for India. The nation is all set to get a new parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid its foundation on Thursday. The auspicious occasion was marked by Sarvadharm Pratna.
Or on earth below, you keep your covenant with your people. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
A secular invocation for the temple of democracy. With Prime Minister Modi performing the rituals. After the ceremony, the Prime Minister spoke, recounting India's glorious history.
जब हम विश्वास के साथ अपने लोकतांत्रिक इतिहास का गौरवगान करेंगे तो वो दिन दूर नहीं जब दुनिया भी कहेगी इंडिया इज मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी.
The Prime Minister justified the need to build a new parliament which is facing criticism from activists and several architects.
बीते दशकों में इसे तत्कालीन जरूरतों को देखते हुए निरंतर अपग्रेड किया गया. इतना कुछ होने के बाद संसद का ये भवन अब विश्राम मांग रहा है. नए संसद भवन का निर्माण नूतन और पुरातन के सह अस्तित्व का उदाहरण है. ये समय और जरूरतों के अनुरूप खुद में परिवर्तन लाने का प्रयास है. यथार्थ को
Prime Minister further added that the new parliament was symbolic of India's growth and development.
जैसे आज इंडिया गेट से आगे नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल ने राष्ट्रीय पहचान बनाई है, वैसे ही संसद का नया भवन अपनी पहचान स्थापित करेगा. तो नया भवन आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण का गवाह बनेगा. पुराने संसद भवन में देश की आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति के लिए काम हुआ, तो नए भवन में 21वीं सदी के भारत की आकांक्षाएं पूरी की जाएगी. इससे सुंदर क्या होगा, इससे पवित्र क्या होगा जब भारत अपनी आजादी के 75 वर्ष का पर्व मनाए, तो उस पर्व की साक्षात प्रेरणा हमारी संसद की नई इमारत बने. इसके लिए हमें
The historic ceremony was attended by several dignitaries and political leaders.
काम शुरू करना है.
Ratan Tata, whose company has got the contract to build the new building, was present at the event.
नए भवन के माध्यम से
Bureau Report, India Today.
और सांस्कृतिक विविधता प्रदर्शित होगी.
Let's give you a sense of, what the new Parliament building will be like. Its architecture, its design philosophy. The building is said to be triangular. Its interior has the three national symbols, the lotus, the peacock, the banyan tree as its themes. The construction of the building is expected to be completed by August 2022. Here are some of the key highlights of this ambitious project.
India is the world's largest democracy and Parliament the essence of our democracy. The current Parliament building was constructed about 100 years ago. Over the years, it has seen many renovations and repairs. But it has many limitations. The seating capacity cannot be increased any further. upgrading to meet modern needs isn't possible either. Hence, a new parliament building has become a necessity for a new and Atmanirbhar Bharat, says the Narendra Modi government. The new structure will come up in an area of 64,500 square meters. The construction is expected to be completed in time for the country's 75th Independence Day in August 2022. The triangular complex will be earthquake-proof and have Z+ security. It will be eco-friendly and use 30% less electricity. The new building will serve the nation for the next 150 years.
ये सिर्फ भारत के लोकतंत्र के लिए नहीं, विश्व में लोकतंत्र की परंपरा के लिए भी एक महत्वपूर्ण दिवस माना जाएगा। ये भवन एक आत्मनिर्भर भारत के आपके संकल्प का भी एक वास्तविक रूप होगा।
The seating capacity in Parliament will increase by 150% once the new building is ready. The Lok Sabha chamber will have a seating capacity for 888 persons, while the Rajya Sabha will have 384 seats. There will be 1,272 seats for joint sittings. The building will come with high-quality acoustics, audio-visual facilities, and improved and comfortable seating arrangements.
देश की जनता का सपना है कि उन्हें संसद का एक नया आधुनिक भवन मिले। माननीय सांसदों एवं सदन की भावनाओं को देखते हुए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने संसद भवन के निर्माण की स्वीकृति दी और आज वह शुभ दिन आया है जब उनके कर कमलों द्वारा नए संसद भवन का भूमि पूजन और शिलान्यास हो रहा है।
The Parliament building will also house a Constitution Hall, a library and a conference hall. It will be an embodiment of diverse Indian culture.
नए संसद भवन में ऐसी अनेक नई चीजें की जा रही हैं जिससे सांसदों की एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेगी, उनके वर्क कल्चर में आधुनिक तौर तरीके आएंगे।
Like the war memorial built next to India Gate, the new Parliament complex will be next to the old one, a transition from colonial symbols to a 21st century India. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.